Hello everyone. Today I will share effective tips to boost your download speed on Terabox, ensuring a smoother and faster experience. So now let's get started. So first, ensure you're using the latest version of the Terabox app, as updates often include performance improvements. Check for updates in your device's app store and install any available. Next, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and consider restarting your router to enhance connectivity. Next, Terabox supports parallel downloads, allowing multiple files to download simultaneously, which can improve overall speed. Enable this feature in the app settings. Next is accumulated cache can slow down the app, so regularly clear the cache within the Terabox app settings to maintain optimal performance. So consider upgrading to a premium Terabox account which offers faster download speeds and additional features compared to the free version. So by following these steps, you can significantly enhance your download speeds on Terabox. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.